Hello everyone, this is Prince Mandal of class 9 from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Narayanpur, Chhattisgarh. I am here with you to discuss few tips and creative ideas to reuse your waste in growing plants and making our school, home and office a green and beautiful place to live in. So before we start, let's see what are the things we have done in our school to make it green. The first thing that we have done in our school is to make a lovely garden in front of our school corridor. The garden contains a lot of flower plant, fruity trees with so many decorative plants that creates an interest in students to visit in our school daily. Secondly, we have made a kitchen garden behind our kitchen. There we grow colorful vegetables including tomatoes, brinjals, lady's finger, cauliflower and cabbages too. In the kitchen garden, we have created a compost box too. Uh, For making compost, we use the green waste coming out from our maize. That green waste contains onion peels, shells of egg, the waste of cabbages, and some peels of potatoes too. Further, we have planted a huge variety of trees in our school boundary to make it look good and feel better. We have planted long and large trees. Few examples are Ashoka tree, Nilgiri, fruity trees such as mango, guava, and black jamuns that make our school boundary a fulfilled boundary with trees. Last thing that I wanna mention here about our school is its sapling area where we grow saplings of different trees. After they grow a little bit large, then we put them in the ground where it can survive easily without any hesitations, or we donate it to the peoples who want to grow some plants in their surrounding. Okay, then let's say you don't have so much space to make a huge garden and plant a tree, but you want some greenery in your surrounding. So let's try some creative ideas to grow some small plants in a small area. Here you can see some pictures of different uses of bottles. You can use a waste plastic bottle as a pot for your small plant by only cutting them from the mid of the bottle and filling them with loamy soil to grow your beautiful plant in your home, school, or in a small place. Second tip that I want to give you is getting your old tires in use. You can use it as a normal pot by covering the one side of the tire and filling it with the soil, or else you can fill the one half of your tire with soil and hanging them to wall for growing plant. You can see it in the picture first and second that how that is used. If you don't have a tire, you can use my third tip to grow plants. My third tip is like this: using a PVC pipe for growing a small plant. You can cut it by the half and use it as a plant pot. As you can see in these pictures, how different ways we can use our PVC pipes as for planting plants. Small plants are planted in different ways in these PVC pipes. After my third tip, I think we should see the pictures of our sapling area. So let's see. In the first and second picture, you can see different saplings that was grown by our students in our school sapling area. In the second, in the third and fourth picture, you can see us working with in a huge membership. Those days was much beautiful when we have planted a lots of small plants. We have grown a lots of saplings in our school. We have donated it to various peoples, and planting them was a very delightful time that we have spended, and I think we will get the fruits in the future. Lastly, I wanna show you our kitchen garden. You can see our kitchen garden was so small but good. I think it was good. We have cabbages, we have mm, different types of plants, eat eatables. So without wasting any time, I would like to say you thanks and listening me. I thank you all for listening me in this PDF PPT. Thank thank you. Wish you have a great garden and greenery at your school.